Is anybody called Fumi? Fumi, come here. Ishakata. What is your name?
Fumi.
Stand up. Stand up.
Jesus.
Your name is Fumi. Marabasha. The Lord, come. Where's that woman crying?
She's the one that brought me.
She's the one that brought you. And she is not mentioned, and you're mentioned. You are the one that brought her.
Thank God. He said he don't like you. He said he don't like you. He said he don't like you. I said, come this.
He said she don't like him.
Don't like you.
Stand up on top.
That you are real. He said you are really. Say, but the pastor, you are not really. Say he don't like you. Say he don't come. I said, come, follow me, come today. I'm ready about you.
She's coming for the first time.
Jesus.
You say you don't like me.
I said, I used to see you. I would just scroll up. I don't believe in Igbo pastors.
Don't believe in Igbo men of God.
But she has been disturbing me. I said, I lost everything. I lost all what I have. I sold my 4 cars in 1 year. I don't know.
You say you don't like Igbo men of God.
I said,
what do we do?
I said, I don't believe.
What do we do? Where be so okay? Where me did Tamila was okay. Kigaju ayela. Ogo yebi. Geko to dade. He said, Tamila was okay. Mama take over.
I said, if this man is real, let him call my name. I said, boy, Igbos are many here. He cannot call Yoruba. He cannot call Yoruba.
That's Igbos are many.
I don't know what to say. I've been suffering.
Look at me. Have I seen you before?
No.
If you lie, you will die tomorrow.
I never seen you before.
Have you talked to me before?
I'm here today. I'm coming here more than 2 years. I never seen you. Never talked to me before.
The Lord said to me, tell Fumi, tell him that I am he that he is speaking against. Oh, we're in the anointing, the problem. Oh, we're in the anointing, the problem. Oh, we're in the anointing, the problem. Papa, son, and the anointing, the problem. Bring her up, bring her up. Don't speak against the grace. What you don't know, say you don't know, but don't speak. Well, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. God who started blessing you on time. God will bless you on time. But right now, everything have scattered. Even the one you call your husband, you can't boast of it. Because I see the first one leaving you. The second one also turning his face. The one you wanted to stay after the first one left is also turning his face around. It's like your life scatter, but the Lord is about to settle you. Amen. Fumi, somebody took your clothes. It is a cloth, something, property that belongs to you. They went to Baba house. Baba house. They used it to do sham against you. You have so many businesses. Everything. But now everything have scattered. They take something that belongs to you. Fumi, get ready for restoration. Will you speak against me again?
I did not speak against you. I just believe in Igbo pastor. Anytime I see you, I will say, I don't know. When this man, because she's my hairdresser, anytime I go to her shop, she will tell me that, Mommy, let's go to Zion. I will say, okay. It seems I'm trying to believe this one. I wanted to go back this morning. When I get to reach a POS, I wanted to collect money for 1 hour. The money, the transfer did not go. I said, let me go back. That spirit said, no, I must go. I must go. Yes, sir.
All my teacher Amen.
Amen. My children.
You are the king above all the earth. Kabio see you. Kabio see. Amumam nebu mama. Ibam neme mama. Amumam karugo mo. Oke mketara be mo. Mo kele mo kesiri mi ke. Ozo buru mo busiri mi ke. Get me olive oil. Libra Asha, stand up, stand up, stand up. Fumi, open your hand. How many? Wait, let me see one hand. Just one hand. One hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? How many is your children?
5 children.
See the way you love me. See the way you care for me. Carry my matter for your radio. In the baby, my son. All of the
yoke is broken. The yoke is broken. The yoke is broken. J-E-S-U-S. Did you go to a place they prepare something for you? The Spirit of God is telling me now that you went to a place.
Yes, before.
Don't go again. Don't go again. Don't go again. Your restoration have started. Give her appointment to see me a week before a week to the yoke. She will come to give testimony.
Amen.
Her yoke is broken. J-E-S-U-S.
Jesus. Adekwerewa noge chuku kama. Aibasi alika lika uche chuku gebe. Aibasi alika lika uche chuku gebe. Amarao agadi kamre bube. Omusa yoni dewe chini akeliye.
This one is the Igbo one that brought her. For 2 years, nobody has seen her. But the one she brought today has been seen. That is the Lord. Everybody have his own time. But God bless you.
Now, I want to say something. Listen to me. If you are a Christian, you're supposed to love your neighbor as you love yourself. Whether you are hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Fulani, TV, any tribe where you be, love your fellow tribes. If you are Igbo, love Yoruba, because all this issue of tribalism, that is no good at all. As a Christian, Christians not supposed to be practicing tribalism. You hate other tribes, that is no good. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. If you are also Christian, yes, you need to love Igbos and Yorubas and other tribes. If you're a Yoruba Christian, you need to love others. Yes, but all this issue of tribalism, that is no good. And that thing is too much in Nigeria. And that thing don't cause many things in Nigeria. So as a Christian, you're not supposed to be doing all this tribalism. So let's love ourselves. Whether you be Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani, TV, Ghana, Cameroon, anyone where you be, let us love ourselves. Now the same God created Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, India, China, all the people waiting for this earth. Now the same God created all of us. So let us love ourselves. We are all human beings. Now the same God where we serve.